Have you ever wondered why certain sounds make you cringe while others bring a sense of peace? Let's dive into the fascinating science of sound perception. Sound is a vibration that travels through the air and reaches our ears, processed by the auditory system. Our brains have evolved to be more sensitive to certain frequencies. Our ancestors relied on sound for survival. Detecting high-pitched sounds activated the brain's amygdala, crucial for processing emotions like fear and urgency. The human brain is sensitive to frequencies between 2,000 and 5,000 Hz, essential for communication. This explains why we can hear our name in noise but ignore background sound. Certain sounds, like nails on a chalkboard, cause discomfort due to how our brain processes high-pitched noises, triggering a stress response linked to survival instincts. Our experiences shape sound perception. A city dweller may tolerate noise better. Some have hyperacusis, making everyday sounds overwhelming. Different cultures and personal memories influence sound perception. For some, high-pitched sounds are spiritual, while for others they signal alarm. Certain sounds can trigger relaxation, like ASMR, where gentle noises create comfort and relaxation responses in our brains. We can manage our responses to sound through mindfulness, exposure therapy, or technology. Musicians train to focus on specific tones while ignoring others. Our brains detect sounds important for survival and communication. Next time you react strongly to a sound, consider its impact. It might be instinctive. What's one sound that you absolutely can't stand? Let us know in the comments.